Good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are well. Happiness is not something ready made, it comes from your own action. This is said by Dalai Lama. Means we have to work hard for happiness. Happiness doesn't come in a ready form. We have to work hard. If we do good, we will get happiness. Let's learn a new word. Spectators means people watching an event. The spectators enjoyed the event. Today we are going to do English grammar revision. We will see chapter 1 common noun, proper noun and regular plural, chapter 2 irregular plural and chapter 3 gender. Let's see first chapter common noun, proper noun and regular plural. First we will see what are noun. Nouns are naming words. Whatever we see around us is noun. We are going to see two types of noun, common noun and proper noun. We use common noun for any places, people, animals, things or ideas. It begins with a small letter. We use proper noun for the names of people, places, animals or things. It begins with a capital letter. Now let's see different example for common noun and proper noun on basis of places, people, things and animal. Place, shopping mall. For people, friends. Animal, dog. Thing, flower. Idea, fun. Big Bazaar is a place. It's a proper noun. It is the name of a shopping mall. John is a name given to a person. Tuffy, it's a name given to a dog or any pet animal. Rose is a flower. It's a special name to that flower. Now let's see regular plural. In regular plural, we can change a singular noun to a plural noun. We can change singular noun to plural by different ways. By adding s, by adding es, by adding ves and by adding ies. For adding s, we simply add s to the singular noun. Changing it to plural by adding es, we add es to the noun ending with s, double s, ch, sh, x and o. For adding ves, we add vas to the noun ending with f or fe after removing f or fe from the noun. For adding ies to the noun, we remove y and then add ies. Let's see some example. Adding s. Girl, girls. Plate, plates. adding es. Bus, buses. Box, boxes, adding ves. Life, lives. Thief, thieves, adding ies. Lady, ladies. City, cities. Now let's move to chapter 2, irregular plural. These plural are different from regular plural. Here we have different ways to change it in plural. First, changing its vowel. Example, men, men. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. By changing the whole word. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Person, people. We have another way also for changing it to plural. Adding different ending. Ox, oxen. Cactus, cacti. And there are some spellings who seems to be plural only but are not plural. Trousers, trousers. Scissors, scissors. Let's see the last chapter, gender. We have 3 types of gender. First, masculine gender. Second, feminine gender, used for female. And where feminine and masculine gender both are present, so we use common gender for them. Let's see some example for it. This is a girl. She belongs to feminine gender. Her name is Tina. This is a boy. He belongs to masculine gender. His name is Rahul. These both are doctor. They belong to common gender. Now let's do all these chapters in revision paper 1 on page number 23 and 24 in exercise A, C and D. Revision paper 1, exercise A. You have to underline common noun and circle the proper noun. First, Anuj is a good singer. Here Anuj is a name of a person, so it's a proper noun, and singer is common noun. River Yamuna flows through Delhi. River Yamuna and Delhi are name of a specific city and river, so they are proper noun. My aunt's name is Aruna. Aunt is common noun and Aruna is name of the aunt, so Aruna is proper noun. Mr. Smith has a large boat. Mr. Smith is proper noun as it's a name, and boat is common noun. We go to Darjeeling in summer. Darjeeling is the name of a city, so it's a proper noun. Summer is common noun. I want to eat another mango. Mango is a common noun. Revision paper 1, exercise C. In this you have to complete the sentence with correct plural. This dash help us to keep the garden clean. Plural of boy is boys. Dash like to sit on the benches in the park. Plural of woman is women. Dash love going to zoo. Plural of child is children. I cannot walk anymore. My dash hurt. Plural of foot is feet. The cat chases the dash away. Plural of mouse is mice. Clean the dash in the kitchen. Plural of shelf is shelves. Revision paper 1, exercise D. In this exercise, you have to write feminine gender for given masculine gender and masculine gender for given feminine gender. Nephew, niece. Cow, bull, mare, horse, leopard, leopardess, landlady, landlord, hero, heroine. Thank you and have a nice day. Do this exercise in the textbook itself.